What's your reaction to the Supreme Court judgment today granting full financial autonomy to local governments?
That's great. I mean, the Supreme Court is supreme, is the final authority, and I'm a Democrat. I believe in the rule of law, and once the Supreme Court has spoken, it has spoken. And I understand, I mean, tonight, I think the Governors Forum is meeting to review this, and we're yet to even, I mean, I haven't seen the judgment myself. I've been extremely very busy all through the day, and, but I've seen snippets of it. But at a fundamental level, yes, we need resources to get down to the real down grassroots, and we need the people's money to work for them at all levels, whether at the federal, at the state, and at the local government. We need the people's money together. We need to promote accountability. We need to promote transparency in the utilization of public resources at all levels to be able to lift the burden of the common man.
Now, the President said this afternoon that the implication of the judgment is that only elected councils will be able to control resources at that level. Where does this leave states like yours that don't have elected local government councils?
Well, certainly, I mean, when I was elected in office, that's one of the things I promised our people, because in Anambra, we haven't had, I think, to be honest with you, I think the first local government election that was had was in 1998 or something thereabout. And then the next one was in 2014 or 2013, and that was it. I mean, I finished 1.5 years or 2 years thereabout. And even the institutions, the place is quite not strengthened. And so for me, I promised the people of Anambra that we're going to have local government election. And I stated that in my inaugural speech. We've just passed the Independent Electoral Commission law of Anambra State, and we're putting together the institutions to be able to organize that. It's a promise I made to the people, a promise I am serious about keeping. And even the way that that has been run so far, at least under my administration, the resources of the local government have been, we've made sure that the resources get down to the local governments to address their staff. I mean, paying teachers and paying the pensioners and paying primary health workers and so on and so forth. And so for me, for my state, I mean, which is the other thing that is peculiar, is that there has been a lingering litigation, for example, that stopped local government elections in the past. And that particular litigation is still in the courts, so to speak. We're going to see how we handle all of that and to organize a local government election as appropriate. I'm a believer in in having a democratic system. Like I said, I made a firm commitment to that, and I don't say what I won't do.
Yes, and the government